This topic is finding the area and circumference of a circle. First of all, let's start off with some definitions. The diameter goes from one end to the other, and an easy way to remember that is that diameter and the word distance both begin with the letter D. So we know that the diameter goes the distance, whereas the radius goes only from the center to the outside edge. Let's begin with the area of a circle. The formula is area equals pi r squared. For pi, we're going to use 3.14, but actually pi goes on forever. It could be 3.1415926 and so on and on. For this project and for the sake of consistency, we are only going to use 3.14 as the value of pi. So we take the value of pi, 3.14, times the value of the radius, and a second time times the value of the radius. So for example, let's just say the radius was 98. We needed to multiply that times 98 and times again 3.14. Or we could have started off as 3.14 times 98 times 98. The answer is 30156.56. I'm going to plug that into a problem on the website and we'll see if it works. Here we have the question. Input the area and circumference of a circle with a radius of 98. So we want the area, so we'll put in the number right here. And I'm going to click enter, and it is correct right there. So we know that this one is correct. Now let's do the circumference. The circumference, which is the outer edge of the circle, can be found by multiplying pi, or in this case 3.14, the limited version of pi, times the diameter. Supposing we don't know the diameter, we only know the radius. Well, the radius is half of a diameter, so we multiply the radius times 2 in order to get the diameter. Once we have the diameter, we multiply that times 3.14. Here's how it works. We take 98, which is the value of the radius, times 2, which gives us the value of the diameter, and that gives us the value of 196 as the value of the diameter. Then we can plug in this formula, diameter times 3.14. So it's 196 times 3.14, which gives us 615.44. Let's see if that works on the website. I'm going to plug in 615.44 and we'll see if it works. And it does. It's correct right there. Now I just have 2 more problems to do. Input the area and circumference of a circle with a diameter of 120. Let's do the circumference first. The diameter is 120, this range right here. So we multiply that times 3.14, the shortened version of pi, and that gives us 376.8. Let's see how that works on the website. Okay, so here we have 376.8, and it is correct. Now we just have one more to do. Let's find the area of a circle with a diameter of 120. If we were to find the area of a circle with a diameter of 120, we know that the diameter is twice the length of the radius. So we take the diameter and we divide it by 2 in order to get the value of the radius. So we take 120 divided by 2, and that gives us the value of the radius. And then we can plug in the formula. Pi, which is 3.14, times 60 times 60, since it's the radius squared. So let's put the value of 11304 in on the website. And it is correct. And so that is briefly how to find the values of the area and the circumference of a circle. Thank you.